right here. Now, hopefully this is going to work. Last time I don't know if I put this on the floral or not, if it was just kind of a blank month. Get a little stuck on my little clover on here, so it didn't cut it quite right. But let's see if this fits up here. If not, actually I could stick it down here because we're going to cover with months anyway. Or I could kind of go like that. I think I'm going to try and stick it, all the way over here. And then we're going to be covering up the days of the week anyway with these. So we'll just stick that over the top of this. See if I can get this lined up. I guess that's supposed to go more this way. I'm trying to center the days of the week in there. I'm not sure how long I made this. Kind of. I could have moved March over. What do you think? I mean, we're going to have this over here too. So, do we leave it? Oh, we'll leave it because that's going to be over here, like I said. That's one thing with, usually my month is blank because I use the focus, so it wouldn't have mattered, but that one is all, see, it's blank up here. This one's all messed up, so I decided that I needed to redo the whole month. So let's stick this one on here. That's not centered. Maybe if I center the Friday. That will work a little better. And that's going to go a little bit that way. Cut just a little bit of this Thursday off here, it looks like. And here I thought I had this worked out perfectly, but still a couple of kinks to work on. That's okay. I'm learning. Okay. So we have that. I'm not sure about this, but I do have some decor to stick up there and maybe make it look better. Yeah, we'll see. All right. Now, what did I want to do with these other strips? Because I only have these 2 days and these 2 days where there is room for this month. So I guess, how big do these fit up here? And this is going to cover over the, don't want to do that. I mean, I could stick this guy down here, but I think I'm going to, let's do the washi strips first, maybe on the bottom. So which ones do I want to use? I think that kind of clashes with that, but I kind of, I don't know if we're going to use those. Jeez. All right, let's try and put this down here. I can go all the way across too, because there's no holes punched. Jeez. I don't know why my words are not coming out. I'm probably talking quietly too. All right, so I made that extra long, which is good. So let's use the other one. Oops, losing my sticker already. We'll stick him over there. Let's stick this one here. Can this go all the way across to the here? Let's see. Yep. Okay. Still gotta figure out what to do on top. I don't like how that looks with these flowers up here. Jeez. This guy is way too big for up here. Yes. I don't know what I want to do up there. I have a rainbow. How does that look if I put that right there? And we'll let it sit and stew a little bit. And I could put one more strip here. I have all this washi tape. But I think I want to use that because I have spring break to put in there and all kinds of things. So let's put this guy over here. Put him more in the corner. 2 little gnomes in the truck. And what about this? What else is going on? we have my aunt's 80th birthday. So I want to put this for that on the 14th. Does that like fit? Where do I want to put that? Should have made it just a little smaller. So let's see. I could just kind of go like this. Yeah, her birthday's on the 14th, so I think that works out good. And then I have all these clovers I will add in the end. Let me look at my calendar here. Spring break is this week. So let's take, should I do the dark green one maybe? I kind of want to use this one though. I'll use this one. It's this whole entire week, so that's daylight savings there. We gotta remember that. So maybe I will put it right above that. Okay, put it here. Just more over on this side. Just go all the way here. All the way to there. I wish I had my cutting tool, but I don't. What if I go like this? You know what? This might work if I hold it taut. There we go. That worked. Okay. Looks a little crooked to me though. Oops. Sticking stickers everywhere. I think it is just a little bit crooked. Not too bad. All right. So that denotes spring break. This one is the one that's crooked. Just a little tiny bit. Okay. So that's the major stuff. Let's see here. I'm not sure what this is all about. Okay, what else do we want to do here? My dentist appointment got canceled. Well, I want something for her birthday here. So with all that color, let's take a solid green one. I should probably write it on here so that I can stick it on there and it will be a little bit better. So let's see. And then I'm going to be gone puppy sitting up here, so we can use a strip for that. That's going to be these 3 days. So that needs a little tag too. My daughter's coming home probably here. And then I know she has a hair appointment that day. Okay, so let's do another green one. And she has an 8 a.m. hair appointment. Now, if I just write hair appointment, am I gonna think it's my hair appointment? Hopefully not. I'll put a plus by it, so it's right next to her coming home, so I know that. It's hers too. And we'll put it like right like this, overlapping a little bit, so I know that it's hers. Actually, I wonder if I could go down a little more, because I might be having a birthday type party for my aunt on that day. So I really should put a sticker there, because I'm not going to write anything in it yet. I don't know if we're going to do it on Saturday or Sunday. I could just put visit Kathy too, couldn't I? Yeah, I have to finalize those plans, so. Well, that box just doesn't want to go on, right, does it? Okay. What other major things here? On the 13th, Rory is 5 months old. So I wanted to put that here, right in the way of everything. Oh, and look at, that's the daylight savings thing too. Should probably highlight that or circle that or do something so remember that clocks go ahead, don't they? Okay, what else? What else? What else? What else? I'm looking at my other, I have all my bills. Anything else going on? I should put that my dentist was rescheduled so I don't wonder why I'm not going, huh? Or dentist canceled, but they canceled on me, not me canceling on them. So that was on the 10th. Kind of like to stagger the boxes so it doesn't look so crowded. Wow. These stickers are not, I wonder if I use the removable sticker paper and that's why they're jumping all over the place like that. Okay, St. Patrick's Day's here, so I'm just going to do another little arrow to that since it's already on the paper. And then on this day, our neighbors are gone all week. We have to, shoot, do I have a long enough one? Maybe. We have to not watch our neighbor's house, but if it snows or anything, we have to like shovel for them. So that's gotta be, how long does that go? All the way till then? I'm not gonna have enough because they leave when? Wow, the 19th through the 26th. That's a long time. Well, maybe if I'm gonna put that on the 19th, a sticker. And then if I take this and put this over here, and then put that other little piece I still have left here. This one could go, doesn't match up with the sticker. Does it match up this way better? Not really. We'll just put that all the way to there and then give them a sticker. That's garbage here. What did I say, the 19th? Ouch. No, actually they leave the 18th. So I'm gonna have to put it on these 2 days. So I'm just gonna put the dates so that it's not confusing. Okay. And I think that might be the last thing, and then we can put the rest of the decor on. All right, that's looking pretty cute. So what do I still have left? I used the rainbow up there. Definitely want to put some shamrocks up here to fill in this side. I have a few shamrocks, not a whole lot, but just to kind of make it look a little cohesive. With all these flowers in here. Put a small one over here. Okay. And then these 2 days are not March, so let's just kind of put these here. Leave them all up. And then these 2 days. And let's see what we have left. I think I might have actually timed it just right. Put one more there. And then I have 2 more for other places. Got to put one on St. Patrick's Day, of course, right? Yes. On the 17th. It's kind of right there. Anything else that's special? Her birthday, I could put one on there. The party, I mean. Just put the one last one on here. There. I actually think that looks pretty good, even though that these are up here. We didn't flatten that down. I think it looks all right. I could like add some color green, some green marker in there maybe or something. All right, so I think we have March done. All these boxes left for other things to add. Okay. So let's put March in here. And maybe, well, I was thinking of putting that plan maybe on here, but I kind of like it on the front, but I could use it as a bookmark too. I think we'll stick it back on the front. All right, so that looks pretty good. I actually really like it. I think I should write something about spring break though too, shouldn't I? Yeah, let me add one more. Something that says spring break. I don't know if, let's put spring break on this. And then I'll add a different sticker if her party's that day. Because no spring break, we just don't know. Her party. All right, so we have March done. So then we go into the dailies, and I need to do the first week of March for that.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to be notified every single time that we upload. Bye. We'll see you in the next one.